Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video we are doing part 2 of my hospital bag. I'll be sharing with you everything that I have packed for baby girl for her big arrival. So if you would like to see everything that I have packed in her side of our hospital bag, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I packed in baby girl's side of our hospital bag is a little toiletry bag, again of course for her. So this little bag is actually from Pampers and it's like a little sample bag that has been given to me. I packed a few pairs of newborn diapers and size 1 diapers just in case she comes out a little bit bigger. Who knows what size she is right now? I have no clue. Also in this bag I also have like little travel size packs of wet wipes, also by Pampers. And then I also included a little bottle of Peditin for her bum just in case. You never know what's gonna happen. I'm hoping she doesn't get diaper rash within the first couple of days. Like, do babies even get diaper rash within like the first day of being out and about? Like, I don't really know. First baby, of course, so I have no clue if I'm gonna need this, but I packed it just in case I may need it. I'm sure if anything like that happens, the hospital will give me something to put on her little bum, but for now, just to be on the safe side, I wanted to make sure that I had everything that I would possibly need. And that is pretty much it for like this little travel compartment size. I also love it because it's small enough for me to just toss into her baby bag that we have, so that she always has like diapers and wet wipes in here on the go, and I don't really have to worry about forgetting that at all. The next items I packed are a few washcloths. I don't know if I'm actually going to need these or how many I'm going to need. I just packed them just in case. I read online that you should have at least one burp cloth with you. I don't know if it's me or if it's my family. Maybe like it's a Jamaican thing. We don't really use burp cloths. Like, burp cloths to us are just like regular receiving blankets. Like, you take a receiving blanket and you put it over your shoulder and you burp the baby with that, and you wipe up any spit up with that. Like, receiving blankets are literally the end all of everything. So I just packed a bunch of washcloths. I also don't know if the hospital is going to need these for her first bath, so I packed them just in case, or they may just use their own. Totally up to them. I'm not going to complain if they do. Since I don't know how long we're going to actually be in the hospital, I packed 3 swaddle/receiving blankets. So here's one, literally just a pink and white striped blanket. Again, in my family, if someone wants to hold the baby, we hand them this blanket, goes over their shoulder, and they hold the baby like this, and the baby's kind of in this blanket so their faces aren't touching their clothes and anything like that. And it's also used as a burp cloth. Again, you throw it over your shoulder, put baby on your shoulder, burp baby. If she spits up, it goes down the receiving blanket, and this just goes in the wash, and that's that. So I packed this one, and then I also packed these two. You guys know I've shown you guys this in my baby haul. If you haven't checked it out, I will have that link down below in the description box so you can check that out. But these 2 swaddle blankets I packed along with the matching bows just for her first day. I know my family's going to want to take a bunch of pictures, so just so she has something cute to be swaddled in to keep her warm, and then have her little headband on as well, and then my family can take their pictures and then leave me and my child. I was also recommended to bring at least 2 to 3 undershirts or like onesies. In my family, we always put like an undershirt or a onesie underneath their clothes. You don't have to if this is not something that you do, but this is just something that I was raised doing with other babies in my family. So we always had an undershirt on underneath our clothes or dresses. So I picked up these cute little tank top newborn, like basic undershirt from Carter's. Again, I don't know how big she is, so I packed 2 newborn tank tops and a 0 to 3 month t-shirt undershirt to go underneath her clothes. Again, she's a summer baby. It has been 30 plus degrees here in Toronto for pretty much the month of July and like end of June. So I'm assuming it's going to be really hot the day that we bring her home. So just to make sure that she has like a light little undershirt so she's not like overheating in whatever it is that she's wearing, it was kind of my mentality with these, going with like a tank top rather than a long sleeve. So the hospital also recommended bringing 2 to 3 sleepers just in case. Again, we don't know how long we're going to be in the hospital for. You can't really predict what's going to happen during the birthing process. And obviously we were praying for a safe and healthy baby, but if she does need to stay for our observation, I just packed 3 sleepers just in case. So the first one is this cute little animal print with pink and gray elephants and hippopotamuses and butterflies and so on and so forth. This is Newborn from Carter's, and it is footless, so we did pack a pair of socks to go along with this. So again, a t-shirt, undershirt underneath this, and baby girl should be good to go. They do say that the baby should have on one layer of clothing more than you'd feel comfortable wearing, and I'm cold all the time, so if I could wear multiple layers of clothing, I would. So I just figured that 2 layers of clothing in the summer heat would be perfect for her. The next sleeper set that I packed for her is this one. It says worth the wait, and it's just a t-shirt little onesie, and it comes with the matching pair of pants that has like the little socky booties on it. This one was actually a gift that we received at our baby shower. I know I told myself I was going to vlog our baby shower, but it honestly, like, there was so much going on that day, and it was like 40 degrees outside in Toronto. No word of lie, the day that we had our baby shower. So there was just so much going on, and it was so hot that I couldn't even concentrate on vlogging. I'm sorry. I wish I could have shared that day with you guys, because it was honestly amazing. But anyways, I received this as a gift, and it comes with a matching hat, so I told myself I definitely had to pack this outfit for the hospital 100%. And the last sleeper that I packed for her is this one. It's kind of like a waffle print with little birdies on it, and again, it's a newborn size. My grandmother actually bought this for her, and I thought it was the cutest little thing, and it comes with the little mittens that kind of go over her fingers to keep her fingers warm, and the little footsies in the bottom. This one is a little bit thicker, and obviously will keep her a little bit warm, just in case it is a little bit more of a cooler day, or if it is really cold in the hospital, or if I find it really cold in the hospital, I'll probably be putting her in this. So for the sleepers, there's 2 newborn sleepers, and then the worth the wait one is 0 to 3 months, just in case, because again, we obviously don't know her size, and we have no idea how big she's going to be, so just kind of guessing right now as to what would fit and what's not going to fit. Also, in her hospital bag, I literally just grabbed a little Ziploc bag, and I put all of her accessories in here. So I think she has like 3 hats, 3 headbands, 3 pairs of socks, and 3 pairs of mittens for her fingers, just in case. Of course, all of these match all of the outfits that she will be wearing in the hospital, because she's the first child, and I went a little overboard, okay? So she literally has a matching outfit for everything. Probably has a matching outfit for every day for the rest of her life. Like, I wouldn't, no joke, guys, I went a little crazy with this child. But anyways, I packed all of her accessories in this little Ziploc bag so I wouldn't lose them, and it kind of makes it a lot easier for me to keep track of everything when they're all in one place, especially with my fiance. Honestly, I packed all of this without him being present, so he honestly has no idea where anything is when it comes to like her nursery or our hospital bag. So just in case, you know, I have to have like an emergency C-section, or I'm kind of out of it for a little bit of time, I made it literally foolproof in this bag for him to find exactly what it is that he's going to need to care for this child. He needs a little extra assistance. And last but not least, her going home outfits. So the first outfit that I packed for her to wear while going home is from The Gap. I walked in and I saw it, and I thought it was the cutest little thing in the whole entire world, and I had to have it. So it's just a pair of these little white shorts, and this is 0 to 3 months size, because again, I don't know how big she's going to be. So 0 to 3 months size. It has pockets, because obviously a newborn needs pockets on their shorts, but whatever, it's cute. So these shorts, and then I got this cute, so adorable little denim like shirt to go with the shorts. Again, this is 0 to 3 months, but it looks really tiny to me. I feel like this was like more of like on the newborn side, but it's 0 to 3 months, and this would be perfect with, again, her newborn tank top underneath, and just like something so cute to go home in. And it's very light and airy, so if it's super hot and we have like another 40-degree day, I don't have to worry about her overheating. She can kind of regulate her temperature in like this loose outfit. And should the weather change and it actually be really gloomy and rainy and cold and just kind of poopy outside. I packed this little onesie. This is from Old Navy, and I believe my mother-in-law bought this for her, and I just thought it was super cute. It has flower prints all over it, and it's long sleeve. It doesn't have any booties on the bottom, so of course I packed a pair of socks for this outfit. And this is also 0 to 3 months. If it's a little big for her, then we can just roll up legs or arms or anything like that just to make it fit until we get home. And again, these two outfits obviously have matching accessories in here. She's got a pink headband to go with the pink flowers on this one, and she has a white headband and a white hat just in case to go with this little outfit. So we are packed and ready to go to the hospital. The car seat base is installed in the car. This hospital bag literally sits at the front door waiting for us to just kind of grab it and be on our way. And that is it for this video. Pretty quick and simple for baby girl. Let me know down in the comment section below if I'm missing anything ASAP so that I can add that to my bag right away. And I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye!